it depends. Kasi there are families that they are kanya-kanya, like they already adapt the Westerner, you know, how do you handle family, like kanya-kanya. So not all. That's OMG, that's not the right one, Mark. So sad. For me, I will really, you have to really look at your husbands as your, mm, if, like, for example, yes, for you that you are married, look at your wife as your mirror. Di ba? Kayong dalawa lang magdadamayan. You know, for good or for bad, the two of you only will win. Di ba? Like, it's like a goal. Like, you're walking onto the ladder. You need to be on the top of there. So slowly, slowly. So why is the family, that's so much family oriented, but it is nice to be family oriented. I like it. It's so nice. It's a big party if you have a very good relationships with the family. That's very nice, actually. The only thing is when you're a foreigner, being taken advantage because you are a foreigner. No, then Becky, don't change the person you love. He will mostly run away. Yes. But sometimes because of misunderstanding, Vicky, there's a lot of issues. Like, you don't like him doing these things, and then you hate him doing that things, and then, but he's still doing it because, like what you said, you cannot change him. So, will you accept that person? That's also very, anong tawag doon, yung adjustment. Maybe in the adjustment period, it's very hard to accept, right? Because you cannot it's hard to accept that you cannot change him, although you wanted the way that you want, but it will never happen because we are unique. Every people is very unique. I was joking, Mishi. There are many foreign men that like to use a Filipino. That's right also. Oh, Mark. English humor, Miss Wishy, we're crazy. Oh, in a relationship, it's still the man's duty to take good care of the woman. Yeah, right. Today, totally agree, Vicky. Ayan, let's continue. I like our topic now. So, honesty test, vulnerability test. Oh, ayan, commitment test, conflict resolution test, emotional intelligence test. Number 7, I haven't discussed this. Dependability test. She might ask for help or favors to see if he follows through commitments. Number 8, honesty test. She may ask sensitive questions to evaluate his honesty and transparency. Number 9, boundary test. She might set boundaries or say no to something to see if he's respect her wishes. Right. Not all the time a woman can will be okay. So that's why it's very important to communicate kung may mga misunderstanding. I really really learn a lot from, like, communication is very important. Number 9, boundary test. Number 10, vulnerability test. She may open up about her past or fears to see if he's supportive and non-judgmental. So, if you found a man like this type, vulnerability test, have a vulnerable, can accept those tests. So nice, vulnerability. Keep in mind that this test shouldn't be manipulative or gamesmanship. Healthy relationships are built on mutual respect, trust, and open communication, and that is right. And how about the man? How men test drive women in relationship? How men test drive women in relationship? Totally, in relationship, still the man. Yeah, it's very nice if your man really, will be like that, Vicky, because every woman dreams to become to have a man like that, in their life, in our life pala, in their life. I am a woman. I am a woman in love. Oh my goodness. Oh, yung topic natin pa nagkakaano-ano na. Men also test drive a relationship to assess compatibility, trust, and commitment. Here are same ways men might do this. Oh, do you? Number 1, independence test.